Hi, I'm a local Chinese living in China. So I will share with you about how to say and how to write the authentic Chinese. So it's free for you to learn authentic Chinese and to learn how to speak Chinese and write Chinese. Okay, so today I want to share with you about the Google. The Google search. You use it nearly every day. And so, do you know how to write it in Chinese and how to say it in Chinese? Google, which means in Chinese is 谷歌. The translation is just similar to the sound, but the meaning is a little bit different. So, 谷歌, which means Google. So 谷 in Chinese, which means like rice, the food. So it's it reflects the good harvest, good harvest for the farmers. The 歌, which means song, which means a harvest song, which just to describe the meaning of a prosperous feelings of the future. So, okay, now I will show you how to write it and say it in my pad. Okay, now let's go. Okay, now welcome to my pad. So I will write how to write the Chinese of Google. First is Google, just like that. 谷, which means 谷. Google, 歌. Google, which means 歌舞谷 phonics. 歌. That's the Chinese, pinyin phonics, which means Google. So it's easy, right? The Google. 谷歌. Google. 谷歌. Google. So Google is a search engine. We use it every day. So it's very helpful, right? So now, have you mastered these words? Just repeat. Google, 谷歌, Google. The Google is a search engine. 谷歌 is a search engine. 谷歌, Google. Okay? So just repeat it, and you will have the ability to learn it, right? Okay, see you next time. Peace.